Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to watch Fox News live on YouTube TV. So in order to do it, you first have to come on YouTube TV and then you just have to simply log in into your account. Afterwards, you need to click on this search icon in the top right hand corner, and here you just have to simply search for Fox News. Now once you search for it, you just have to wait for some time until it shows you Fox News live channel. So once it shows you this, you will have to simply click on it, and here you will see this plus icon. So you may need to add this channel with paid subscription, and it will add in your subscription. So in order to add it, you need to click on the plus icon, and after that you will have to simply make the payment. And once your purchase is done, you will be able to watch Fox News live on YouTube TV. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.